Hey everyone, so I'm back with a quick video about the forms package, so VixenForms library. Now I've implemented a new feature that allows for user-defined widgets to be placed into the form file and loaded at runtime. So these types of widgets are defined by the user, such as here, where I defined this GL widget that does some basic rendering, and you need to expose or map the widget into the form package. So first we'll see it running. So here's the little custom widget. As a button, which is just Qt, and then this window right here. This view is a custom OpenGL rendering view that's using the Vixen game engine to render out both text and this little image. So texture and text. It's pretty simple. Now, let me close this for a second. So the way this works is inside the form file you define everything that's in your layout. So here's a button. Now the format of this is going to be changing. This is the old format because I've been focusing on this, but so here's the widget with the ID that you want to have it check for, and then in here you have to map it with that same ID. So you map the widget itself, which I create right here, and I put it in there, and then once it parses the form file, it'll through parsing it'll look into the mapped widget, the widget map, and look for something to with that ID, and it finds this, which I mapped in there. Now another thing that I have is I set up a interactive little button that when you click the change color button, it actually will run through this array and change the text displayed here. So it's not, you can actually have the rest of the form interact with your custom widget. You just need to be smart about how you actually define these event functions. And that's about it. Now the way I access the widget back from the form itself is you can, which this will be changing, but you can get the widget based off the ID. So when you're creating these custom widgets inside Qt or within Lua, but that's a whole other thing that I'm going to be working on later, you can define, you can make this some sort of const or static variable so that you can reuse it down here when you have to get the widget back. So all in all, this sort of saves a lot of time of having to, it allows you to use your custom widgets inside the form package. Otherwise you would have to hard code every dialog that you want to use just like a simple GL view in. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with more real soon.